Dealing with unwanted items or clutter can be overwhelming, whether you're cleaning out your garage, remodeling your home, or managing a large-scale property cleanout. For Austin residents, having a reliable junk removal service that works quickly and efficiently can make all the difference. Fast and dependable junk removal solutions save you time, energy, and stress, leaving your space clean and organized. Here's why Austin's fast and reliable junk removal services are the perfect solution for your decluttering needs. Convenience and time-saving service. One of the main reasons people turn to professional junk removal companies is the convenience they offer. Whether you have a tight schedule or a looming deadline, these companies prioritize fast and efficient service to meet your needs. What to expect? Same-day or next-day service. Many Austin junk removal companies offer quick turnaround times, ensuring your junk is removed promptly. Efficient removal process. Experienced crews work quickly to remove items without compromising quality or safety. Flexible scheduling. Appointments can be arranged to fit your busy schedule, including evenings and weekends. By handling the heavy lifting and transportation, junk removal professionals save you valuable time and energy. Comprehensive junk removal solution. From small household items to large, bulky furniture, Austin junk removal services are equipped to handle all types of junk. Their comprehensive solutions ensure you don't have to worry about sorting, lifting, or transporting items on your own. Types of items typically removed include household clutter, furniture, appliances, electronics, and general waste. Construction debris, drywall, wood, concrete, and other materials from renovation projects. Yard waste, tree branches, old fencing, and landscaping debris. Specialty items, mattresses, hot tubs, and even heavy equipment. Whatever the size or scope of your project, reliable junk removal companies in Austin have the expertise to handle it. Eco-friendly and responsible disposal. Sustainability is a growing priority in Austin, and reputable junk removal companies share this commitment by adopting eco-friendly practices. They ensure that your unwanted items are disposed of responsibly, reducing waste and protecting the environment. Key eco-friendly practices include recycling. Materials like paper, metal, and electronics are sorted and sent to appropriate recycling facilities. Donations. Usable items, such as furniture or appliances, are donated to local charities to benefit the community. Proper disposal. Hazardous materials and non-recyclable items are handled in compliance with local regulations to ensure safe disposal. By choosing a company that prioritizes sustainability, you contribute to a cleaner, greener Austin. Professional and reliable team. Fast and reliable junk removal requires a professional team with the expertise to get the job done efficiently. Austin junk removal companies employ experienced crews who are trained to handle your items safely and with care. What sets professional teams apart? Courteous service. Crews are polite, respectful, and dedicated to providing a positive customer experience. Attention to detail. They ensure all unwanted items are removed and the area is left clean and clutter-free. Safety first. Teams use proper techniques and equipment to handle heavy or hazardous items without causing damage to your property. A professional and dependable team ensures that your junk removal project is stress-free from start to finish. Transparent pricing and no hidden fees. Affordable pricing is a key factor when choosing a junk removal service. Austin companies understand the importance of clear and upfront pricing to build trust with their customers. What you can expect. Free estimates. Many companies offer no-obligation quotes based on the volume or type of junk. No hidden costs. Transparent pricing ensures you won't encounter surprise charges after the job is done. Flexible options. Tailored solutions mean you only pay for the services you need. This transparency makes it easy to budget for your junk removal needs without any unwelcome surprises. Tailored services for residential and commercial clients. Whether you're a homeowner cleaning out your garage or a business managing a large-scale cleanout, Austin junk removal companies offer tailored solutions to meet your specific needs. Residential services. Ideal for decluttering homes, garages, and outdoor spaces. Commercial services. Perfect for office cleanouts, retail spaces, or construction sites. Event cleanup. Quick and efficient removal of trash and debris after parties or corporate events. These flexible services ensure that every client receives the support they need, regardless of the size or complexity of the project. Stress-free experience. Junk removal doesn't have to be a hassle. By hiring a professional service, you can enjoy a stress-free experience that allows you to focus on other priorities. With their expertise and efficiency, these companies take the burden off your shoulders. Benefits include: no heavy lifting. Crews handle all the physical labor, so you don't have to. Peace of mind. Knowing your items are being disposed of responsibly. Clean, organized space. Enjoy the satisfaction of a clutter-free environment without the effort. This stress-free approach is why so many Austin residents rely on professional junk removal services. Conclusion. Fast and reliable junk removal solutions in Austin make it easy to declutter, organize, and reclaim your space. From efficient service and eco-friendly disposal to tailored solutions and professional crews, these companies ensure a hassle-free experience that meets your needs. If you're looking to clear out clutter, manage a cleanout project, or dispose of unwanted items quickly and responsibly, contact a trusted junk removal service in Austin today. With their help, you can enjoy a cleaner, more organized space in no time.